Okay guys, so here we are at the Hanford project. So all the trash has been taken out. So all the popcorn ceiling's out. Most of the floor is out. So here we're going to be doing new insulation and new drywall. Get it ready for new cabinets. Tomorrow this will be framed out and drywall. We're getting ready to texture. We want to texture everything at once, so it's a process. It's a process. See, this one we just finished filling it. This one's ready for texture. This was ready for floating. You can see all the doors are out. The shower is almost ready for tile. Just got to hunt down those shower valves. We will be installing new windows throughout. We have a brand new tub. There's a hardy back there, and then we're waiting for that shower valve as well. And yes, like I said, we're gonna have new windows and a new sliding door here.